What's up, foodies? You've all heard of tzatziki or tried it? Today we are going to make roasted garlic tzatziki. A little twist on a traditional tzatziki recipe. Sorry my Greek friends out there, I know this is going to offend you, but let's get into it. Alright foodies, start by taking 4 bulbs of garlic and cutting the top off. I know you see 2 bulbs of garlic here, but make sure you use 4 as these are way too small. If you have bigger garlic bulbs, use 3. The store I went to was out of garlic and all they had were these 3 bulbs, and I needed one for the thumbnail for this video. Once you cut the tops off the garlic, place them on some aluminum foil. Drizzle the garlic with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm using my favorite, calicori. Feel free to use any brand you like. And no, I am not sponsored, I just love the flavor of their oil. Sprinkle with salt and pepper and wrap them in foil. Now place into a 375-degree oven for 1 hour. You'll want to do this a couple hours ahead of time so you give the garlic some time to cool down. Once your garlic is done, let it cool and remove from the foil, taking a whole bulb and squeezing it into a bowl. You might want to use gloves for this, as it can still be hot. Or you can be like me and do it as soon as it comes out of the oven and burn your hands. I'm going to use a towel to squeeze the rest out. Now that you successfully burnt the fingertips off your fingers, place it to the side and let's get started on the tzatziki. Taking half a cucumber, grate it with a box grater or any grater you have on hand. Once it is all grated, place into a bowl and sprinkle with a bit of salt and mix. Place it aside for about 15 minutes to let the salt extract as much juice as it can from the cucumber. While the salt is extracting those juices, grab yourself some Greek yogurt. Now personally, I would use homemade Greek yogurt for this, but I was all out and I didn't have time to make some, so I used store-bought. But you can get my recipe for homemade Greek yogurt in the description below. Add 500 grams of your Greek yogurt to a bowl, grab our grated cucumber and take a handful and squeeze as much liquid out from it as you can, and place it into the yogurt. You want to make sure you squeeze as much liquid out of the cucumber or you'll end up with a watery tzatziki. And trust me, no one likes a watery tzatziki. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, toss in the roasted garlic, remember you're using 4 bulbs not 2, sprinkle with some salt, some freshly cracked pepper, and give it a mix. And then remembering to add in the white wine vinegar or the lemon juice and then continue to mix until it's well combined. Now this is truly best served the next day when you let the flavors get to know each other. But I'm going to plate it up right now and give it a try. And there you have it, foodies, roasted garlic tzatziki. Now like I said, you want to use 4 bulbs of garlic for this recipe. The store I went to only had a pack of 3 left. That's all they had. I needed 1 bulb for my, thumbnail for YouTube. So to get that more roasted garlic flavor, you'll need those 4 bulbs or 3 large bulbs. The ones I got were really small. Play with it, adjust it as you like. If you want more garlicky, add more garlic. It's up to you, it's your recipe. You're just adapting it from mine. Let's give it a little taste. What I like about this is that nice, subtle, roasted garlic flavor with the tzatziki. Gives you something a little different, a little fresher during the summer season. Make sure you give this recipe a try. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, a subscribe down below. And until next time, foodie out.